Have you ever wondered if you could automatically blur faces in an image using a mix of C++ and Python? Well, today we're going to do exactly that, and by the end of this video, you'll see the result right on your screen. Pretty cool, right? Let's start by looking at the C++ part. Think of this code as the engine that does the actual blurring. At the top, we include some standard libraries to handle numbers, vectors, and basic math. Then, we define a function called blur faces, which will take the image, the dimensions, the number of channels, and the coordinates of all the faces detected. Inside the function, we first set a kernel size, which basically controls how strong the blur is. A bigger number means a blurrier face. Then, we loop over each face in the image. The first four numbers of each face are the x and y position, width, and height of the face. We make sure these numbers don't go outside the image boundaries. This keeps our program safe and avoids crashes. Next comes the nested loops, and this is where the magic happens. For every pixel inside the face rectangle, we look at a small square around it, sum up the color values for red, green, and blue, and then take the average. This averaging is what creates the blur effect. And that's it. Each face gets its own little blur applied over it. Once you understand that, the next step is to compile the C++ code so that Python can use it, and you can do that with a simple command in your terminal. Keep in mind, if a C++ compiler isn't installed on your computer, the compilation will fail. I've included a step-by-step guide in the video description showing how to install a C++ compiler on your system, so make sure to check that out. Now, moving on to Python. We'll be using some familiar friends here: OpenCV, ctypes, NumPy, and pyl. If you don't already have them, you can easily install them with pip. Python is where the magic comes together. We load our compiled C++ library, tell Python how to talk to it. Next, we detect faces using a pre-trained Haar Cascade. Haar Cascade is like a smart little robot that knows what human faces generally look like. First, we load our image into Python so the robot has something to look at. Then, we convert the image to grayscale because detecting faces is faster and easier in black and white. After that, the robot scans the image using detect multiscale to find all the faces at different sizes. The result is a list of rectangles showing where each face is located. These coordinates will later be passed to our C++ function to apply the blur. Once the faces are detected, we hand the coordinates over to our C++ function, which does the blur for us. Finally, we save the new image, and just like that, all the faces are nicely blurred. Now let's run the Python code. Python will generate an image for us. On the screen, you'll see a before and after comparison. It's amazing to see how quickly the code can transform an image. If you enjoyed this video, check out the courses section on our channel. You can watch many free Python courses there. You can also support us by joining the channel and subscribing. Keep coding.